Hello students, good morning. Now we are starting that the different type of indicator. What is the indicator? I told you that is the specific substance which we are using for the finding their substance, that it is acid or base. That is the indicator. There are different indicator we are using. That is the natural also, that is the man-made also. Now we will do first indicator as a litmus paper. Their litmus paper that is available in also lab also. That is the paper we are using, that dipping inside the substance, and according to color we will observe it is base or it is acidic nature. Acidic, that is here we will read about this one, that acidic nature, if we will dip this paper, litmus paper, inside the solution, then if it will be convert blue into the red solution, then it will be acidic in nature. If base will change the litmus, red litmus into blue in color, then it is the basic in the nature. Clear now? Now next our the table given that the lemon juice, there is a what is the effect on the red litmus paper, blue litmus paper, then their red litmus no change in the color, change in the into red color. There, that means this is the in acidic in nature. That acidic substance turn blue litmus into red and basic substance red into blue. That is the difference between the litmus paper of the acidic and the basic substance. Their table we can read their different substance we have taken, and their dip that litmus paper in that solution, we have observed there is a different effect. From this effect we can find which one is the acidic and which one is the basic and which one is the neutral. Neutral, how we can say neutral? There is no effect on the litmus paper, that means no conversion of the color, that is the neutral in the nature, that solution. Next, the turmeric as an indicator. Turmeric is also natural indicator. How we can find from turmeric? Turmeric is a bright yellow dye obtained from the plant, is used as an indicator in form of the turmeric paper. Here observation we have read that now take a spoonful that a turmeric powder, little amount of alcohol and make a paste. In the alcohol we will mix that turmeric powder, spread that the turmeric paste on the blotting paper and let it dry. On this paper we will spread, then we will dry it. Then yellow paper thus obtained is the turmeric paper. Cut this strip of the turmeric paper, then you can use as a indicator this one. Then if we will dip that paper in the base, then yellow color of the turmeric paper will be converted into red, and if their solution will be acid and the neutral substance like sugar solution, this one will not show any effect on the turmeric paper. This one only for the basic. That base, if we will dip it in the basic, then it will be converted into the red in color. Clear now? Next our China rose indicator. This also natural indicator. Then prepared from the petal of the China rose flower, then collect some petal of this flower and keep in beaker, then add some warm water, keep the China petal immersed in warm water for some time till the water in the beaker become light pink in color. Clear? Filter the solution, then light pink filter obtained in a China rose indicator. Then how we can find their which one is acid and base? Then acidic solution turn pink China rose indicator in magenta in color. If we will add some acid, then its color will be magenta in color. In picture you can see. If we will add some basic solution in this solution, then it will be converted into green in colors, like this one in picture. This one is a China rose solution. As we will add the basic solution in it, then if it color become green, then we can say that is that solution is basic in nature. And for neutral substances there will be no effect on this indicator. Now phenolphthalein, that is the human made indicator. This is the organic dye. It's prepared by the dissolving phenolphthalein dye in the alcohol. Its solution is colorless. Their identification, then if we will change their, if we will take their basic solution, then it will be color. It will be changed that colorless solution into in pink in color, like this one in picture. There is a colorless solution. As we will add their basic, base in this solution, then it will be converted into pink in color. That is the basic solution. Now next our phenolphthalein solution remain colorless in acid and neutral substances. There is no effect of the acid and the neutral substances. Second is a methyl orange human-made indicator. Methyl orange is the synthetic indicator. It has the orange in neutral substances. It turns red into acid solution and yellow in basic solution. Clear now? There is a MCQ question given. This question is the behalf of the indicator. There is a different indicator we have done. There is a natural indicator also, man-made indicator also. You have to learn about these indicator, that if you will use that indicator, what will be effect on the acid and basic solution. How you can say that its solution is acid, how this solution is the base. There is a different depend upon the color. Clear? These MCQ question for your homework. Try to do yourself. Read this topic, then do it. Next are property of the acid. What are the property of the acid? Their property that is sure in taste, soluble in water. Also acidic solution conduct electricity, turn blue, litmus into red. Corrosive in nature, and most of the acid react with metal to form the hydrogen gas and their respective salt. Examples are given here. Clear now? And their uses of the acid given, that HCl acid, HNO3, H2SO4. This table you have to learn how we can use these acid. Clear? Up to this topic, read this chapter. Next, property of the base we will do tomorrow. Read yourself, and this table you have to learn, and this MCQ question try to solve yourself. If there will be some problem, then we will discuss tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.